Once in a while I got it. Sometimes I do, once in a while. No, never. Once in a blue moon I do.
Oh, actually, we're not doing anything for that video today. Can't upgrade the RAM on this. So, yeah, basically, I got a Roomba, and I'm going to unbox it, and we're gonna see how it goes. So, yeah, I got this box right here, iRobot Roomba. Got the Roomba 675 model. See what we got here. We have a passion for helping you get more done every day. Just press clean. So I got my screwdriver here, and basically we're just gonna, let me see, draw on it to open the plastic. Yeah, I think that's, yep, there you go. So, guessing it's got a little handle. Ooh, that ASMR though. Alright. Okay. We got our manual here. Oops, it's on there. So, we got our instruction manual. I'm gonna assume. Let's put this over here. And then we got this big UFO looking thing. Okay, so again, it's kind of hard to record with one hand. Guessing this is something, filter. Guessing this is the charger. Oh, yep, charger. Or charger stand, something. Alright. So how am I going to open this? It's got like a bag over here. One sec. Alright, I opened the bag. Just pull it off here. Oops. Oh shit, there's another one. Okay. Awesome. So we got this robot thing, and there's that. I guess we get like an extra filter because that's already in there. The little roller back there. Looking good, looking good. I wonder if I should pull this. I'll probably read the instruction manual, but cool. Roomba, robot looking thing. Got it from Amazon. It was like 260 bucks plus tax, almost 300 bucks. So we'll see if it's worth it. So yeah, we're supposed to charge it first, and yeah, I guess we do pull that little tag I was looking at earlier. And then once you have it charged for a good 3 hours, you get the app. So it's charging. Apparently it's wireless charging, so that's pretty dope. So I'll probably leave it there charging and then download the app on my phone, and we'll see if it goes. Or well, yeah, I would hope it goes. So quick side note, I just looked it up. Apparently the green light will only stay lit for 4 to 5 seconds, and then it'll turn off. So and it does that in order for it to save energy, I guess, but it's still charging. Good way to verify is just to, I guess, press the button and you'll see the battery status. So yeah, it's still charging, just in case you run into that. So
when you hit a zombie, or if you hit anything, little magma blobs pop out and do AoE fire.
No, never. Once in a blue moon I do.